Hello, everybody. As we continue our series on FM, or digital FM, as we're calling this, we wanted to focus on an area that we feel could do with a little digital love, and that is cleaning. So, one area that we thought we could focus on was cleaning of washrooms. So, we set up a very quick demonstration here, and what the demonstration is to show is if there is a emergency spill, then a cleaner can go and they can log that they have turned up onto that site or in that specific washroom within that floor or even within that cubicle and show that action is being taken. Also, we have the temperature check here to show that if the facility is working at its optimum range, but that we also have a door opened and closed. And the reason why the door open and closed is really important, and what's really important to track that, is if you have a schedule where you have cleaners going every hour to check the washroom, that's great if it is a high volume, high traffic area. And how do you know that? Well, you just need a simple sensor to monitor how many times the door is opened and closed. If it is opened and closed consistently over the course of an hour, then yes, it is relevant to send a cleaner to make sure that the washroom is at its best. It can be. However, if you're also monitoring washrooms where the door is opened maybe once an hour, once every 2 hours, then there is no need to send a cleaner there every hour to check that facility. But also, if someone does go into that washroom and the cleaner hasn't been there for over an hour, there is a handy function to alert if there's an emergency clean needed. And what we're going to do here is we're going to simulate that there is an emergency clean required. So as we'll be able to see, we're on the dashboard, is that the emergency clean function has triggered yes, the door is open, so someone has attended, and also it has timestamps here. If you follow my mouse, you can see that the cleaner has checked in to ensure that that specific emergency clean has been taken care of. Now, this is showing an example within CBRE in Leeds, which is our office of a Regis. But you could have this across multiple sites, multiple locations. If you have cleaning staff of hundreds or thousands of people, the efficiencies that you can drive through just a couple of sensors and some smart thinking around it can be massive. And we strongly believe that within the facilities management world, contract cleaning is due a bit of a refresh, but also it doesn't have to cost the earth, and it can be very intuitive, very quick to deploy, but also return a significant investment as well. Thank you very much.